What is good mga champion and welcome back to another video. So for today's video, tuturo ko sa inyo guys one of the important concept, okay? Para mas ma-improve pa yung inyong trading IQ and of course mag-improve in general yung inyong trading skills. With all that being said, nga pala, if you want to be part of our growing TFP VIP Champions community, you may want to check out our 90-day Forex one-on-one mentorship program. As I've said, I am offering two options. Option 1 is for the one-on-one mentorship via Zoom. And for the option 2, which is learn at your own pace masterclass recorded lessons, which you can download. So without further ado, let's get straight to the charts. All right. So we have here market, all right? Current market price. Okay. So again, first things first, we have to read yung market structure. Ano ba sinasabi ng market structure? So again, meron tayong high, low, lower high, okay? An equal low, lower high, probably an equal low again. So which means equal lows means support, okay? Tandaan nyo guys, support, there is no equal level sa support or exact level sa support, but rather, this can be a trading support range, okay? So, but for simplicity's sake, I will just use this as a line, okay? This support as a support line, okay? So again, let's check, okay? Paano natin masasabi that there are a lot of people have different execution timings, okay? Kaya dyan papasok yung tinatawag nating stopped out, fake outs. Kung meron tayong support, of course, how will we know if meron tayong resistance? Again, alam naman natin paano mag-plot ng resistance. Let's just check out itong market move. Okay? Alright. Tingnan natin next candle. Alright. Okay. So, para mas simple, meron tayong multiple reactions at this area. Okay? Meron tayong reaction, say dito. Okay? Diyan. On an average. Okay? It doesn't have to be exact naman. Okay? So, I'll just place a resistance level based sa sa level na yan. Okay? So, everyone, the majority think of this as a resistance. Okay? So, in short, yung sinasabi nila that the majority of amateurs or even intermediate or even beginners, they see this as what? A selling area. Okay? And our support as buying area. So, kung yun pa rin ang alam mo, okay, at wala kang sistema, dahil nakapanood ka lang ng YouTube channel ng iba, okay, or karamihan dyan, mga nahihirapan yung mga galing sa stocks kasi yan yung tinuturo sa stocks. Buy at support, sell at resistance, buy low, sell high concept, okay? So, nothing wrong with that. Totoo naman, okay? But, if wala kang trading rules, system rules, then, doon ka magkakaproblema. So, saan normally papasok itong mga retail traders na merong mababaw pa na experience, okay? Saan papasok yung mga yan? Kung maghahanap yan ng mga selling pressure, bearish candles. Okay? May bearish engulfing. Hindi pala. Okay? Yan. Okay? Hindi convincing. So, maghahanap yan ng mga like engulfing or pin bar. Okay? So, at this point, may nakikita sila na rejections. Okay? They can be a trigger for them to decide a selling trade. Okay? Yan. Pwede dyan. Okay? Pag nakita nila yan, candle na yan, they will treat that as an execution opportunity. Bakit? Rejection, rejection, rejection. Pin bar, pin bar, pin bar. Okay? So, next candle. Okay. Normally, magte-trade yung mga yan ng sell via instant or market execution. Okay? Saan ang galing decision making? By impulse. Which means dahil merong rejections dito, sa resistance, and may rejections ulit, and nakakita sila ng mga selling pressure candles, they will execute a selling trade out of impulse. Okay? Mga amateur, intermediate, or inexperienced traders yet. Okay? So normally, dito sila maglalagay ng selling. Okay? Saan ba nilalagay normally yung ating stop loss? Okay? Based sa knowledge nila, dyan. Okay? A few shy pips above niyang resistance level. Okay? That's common knowledge. Okay? So, yan yung trader 1. Okay? So, next candle, probably ma-execute yan or instantly kapag dun mismo sa oras na yun. Okay? Through market execution. So, na-trigger na yung kanilang order. Alright? Paano natin? Alright? Okay? Boop! Okay? Anong nangyari sa kanila? What happened? Stop out. Okay? Yan yung sinasabi ng mga magagaling sa comment section, mga keyboard warriors or nagagaling-galingan that we are deciding daw, I am deciding daw to take a trade using this concept. Okay? So, ano nangyari sa mga yan? Failed trade. Okay? Stop out. Okay? So, doon naman sa second trader, okay, sabihin nila, okay, hindi ako magte-trade dyan kasi mas marunong ako. Okay? Sasabihin ng ibang traders nasa comment section. Maghanap ako ng mas convincing na selling pressure candles. Okay? So, nakakita sila ng what? Bearish engulfing candle. Okay? So, normally, saan magte-trade yung mga yan? Either sell stop or instant execution. Again. So, sasabihin nila, okay, hindi na ako may stop out dahil tapos na yung stop hunt from this area. Okay? Let's assume, okay, na magaling talaga sila. However, okay, most probably, some of them forgot that we have a support level here. Okay? Diyan na papasok yung system rules na tinuturo kong basic TFP warrior system dito sa YouTube. Okay? I will teach you what price action is and what is the art of price action coming from this basic knowledge. Okay? So, from now on, I will use again yung ating, incorporate natin yung ating trend line. Alright? Okay, and then, okay. Based sa system rules, I must be below counter trend line break, support, and below resistance level. So, nasaan yun? Simply at this area. Okay, this is my terminology na tinatawag na high probability trade zone or HPT zone. So, way back 2020, I used that term. Ako gumawa ng term na yan. Kung meron man, maybe coincidence, but high probability trade zone is my term or HPT. So, alam yun ng mga avid followers ko from the start or subscribers. So yung mga nagmamagaling on the second attempt, okay, nag-trade sila stop loss above dahil tapos na daw yung stop hunt, okay? Not knowing that there's a break, there's a support level here. Of course, there's a possibility and probability of reaction sa level na yan. Tingnan natin. Alright, makita nyo, nag-react doon. Okay? So, although na-trigger na yung mga selling trades nitong batch trader 2, okay, with second degree knowledge, tingnan natin ang nangyari sa kanila. Selling sila, okay? Right. So, at this point, napaka-bullish ng market. Alright? Plus, they are deciding by impulse again, following, although alam nila yung liquidity concept, execution-wise, wala silang on-point system rules. So, kaya anong mangyayari sa kanila? Most probably, they will be, what? Stopped out again. Okay?
Alright, so we are here at Markets for You trading account types. So we actually have Classic Standard, Classic Pro, and Cent Pro, which is actually available that you can trade on your MT4 or MT5 standard trading platform. In comparison, this has been broken down into several trading conditions and in different categories. So execution, forex contract size per account type, minimum trade volume, maximum lot, floating spread, and so on. As you can see, for the account basics overview, we also have these categories, a leverage of up to 1:4 1,000. So it's quite important na maintindihan nyo which account type that will suit based on your needs.
Stopped out again. Okay? Another losing trade by the losing traders, keyword warriors. Okay? So, again, my trading higher probability trade zone is nandirito. So, which means, at this point, I should not be executing any trade. Okay? Executing any trade. No way. Okay? Based sa rules ko. Kasi simple lang naman ang rules ng TFP Warrior. You must be having a confluence. So, meron kang horizontal support or resistance. Kung selling ka, you must be below itong counter trend line, support break and resistance. Okay? Trend line resistance. So meaning ang selling area mo dapat nakatumbo ka diyan sa ilalim na yan, which is yung HPD zone. So yun yung incorporate ko ngayon. Okay? Simple concept na sinasabi ng lahat na basic. Okay? I should be teaching the advanced. Kung gusto mo advance, go check out and enroll to my TFP Champion VIP mentorship program. Okay? Para sa mas in-depth. Okay? So, again, check natin ano nangyari dito. Again, at this point, wala akong trading execution. Why? Okay? So, right, rejection. Okay. At this point, meron na akong break. Meaning na-satisfy yung rules ko. Okay? May break. Break of counter trend line, support. And I am below resistance, horizontal resistance. But I want to make sure that I'm trading at a sell high concept, which means, as a price action trader, selling pressure candles around this area. Okay? So, hihintayin ko mag-correct yan. Okay? Titingnan ko kung talagang magkakaroon ng mga reactions dyan or rejections. Alright. Check natin. Okay. First rejection. Valid? Yes. Okay. Convincing? Not yet. Okay. So, next. Second rejection. Valid? Yes. Convincing? Yes. Bakit? Rejection. Ano nangyari? Bearish engulfing. Okay? So, at this point, I can have a decision, okay, that it satisfy my rules. Kasi, what rules? Okay? Nasa HPT zone ako, meron akong break ng counter trend support at below ako ng resistance. So, at this point also, meron akong confirmation candlestick patterns, which is yung bearish engulfing and pin bar. Okay? So, what I can do is use market execution, pwede naman, okay? Or sell stop. Let's say sell stop ang gamitin ko, probably in the next candle, stop loss above here, or kung mas conservative ako, dito, above nitong structure na yan. Yeah. Okay? So, tingnan natin nangyari. Okay? Remember, I have a reasonable stop loss range or risk appetite from this execution. Okay? So, yun yung una, na-execute. Okay? Stop ko lang dito. Another trader in my mind, as a price action trader, I could have read yung market structure at this point. So, ano yung market structure? High, low, lower high, lower low, equal highs, equal lower highs. Okay? So, kung gusto kong mag-trade mas convincing, kailangan basagin itong low at magkaroon ako ng bagong low. So, which means, itong lower low na yan, kailangan ko mabasag para mas convincing as another disciplined trader. So, kailangan magkaroon ako ng bagong low. Let's say, trader 2 ka. Okay? Let's say, trader 2 ka. So, hintayin ko mabasag yan. Price action trader. Okay. Meaning, at this point, meron na akong what? New low. Alright? So, meaning, na-satisfy na yung all conditions. Nasa HPT zone ako. So, at this point, I can do a market execution. Okay? Or sell stop. O pinaka-best na pwede nyo gawin is, tandaan nyo. Okay? Since meron tayong, di ba, high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, na nabasag, naging new low, expectation mo, magkakaroon niya ng lower high or a trend continuation down. Okay, that's the forecast. So which means I can use a sell limit. Okay, I can use a sell limit. I can use a sell limit. Okay, saan? Dito sa ating area na to. Saan ako maglalagay dito sa binasag kong lower low. So maglalagay ako ng sell limit pending order. Okay? Stop loss ko above na lang nitong structure niya. Okay? Tingnan natin ang nangyari. Okay? Na-trigger na yung order ko. Sell limit. Okay? Alright? Rejection, rejection, rejection. Plus, kung makikita nyo, mag-aalay niya again as confluence. Saan? Trend line resistance. Meaning, I am below all of my HPT zone, all of my confluence. Okay? Nagmamatch, nag-align sa decision making. Okay? So, kung maglalagay ako ng take profit, let's say may structure ka dito, use na lang itong level na yan. 50% yan. Just to make it simple. Okay? Extend ko lang tong unang trade. Okay? Doesn't have to be exact dahil account natin spread ng brokers. Okay? Speaking of brokers, okay? Always, okay, use my link whenever you want to open a trading account. So, tingnan natin ang nangyari. Okay? Rejection, rejection, rejection. Okay? Is it? So, at this point, meron akong dalawang trades. Both running trades. Both on the winning side. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Extend ko lang tong isang okay? Para lang. Yan. Makita natin. Okay? See? Winning trade currently. Okay? Consolidate. Okay? Consolidate. Tingnan natin. Alright. Two winning trades. Both take profit using TFP Warrior basic. Okay? Yung sinasabi nyo basic concept. Okay? So, this is the art of price action. Knowing something versus understanding is two different thing. Okay? So, yung mga nagko-comment na alam nila yung liquidity, tinuturuan ko daw yung mga estudyante ko or even followers na mali. Okay? Then, I hope this is a statement for you guys that what matters is your trading rules, not just the system or yung strategy nyo. Okay? You may know a lot of things, you may know a lot of concept, but if you don't know or understand paano i-incorporate yan sa trading nyo, at hindi nyo alam paano i-apply, then it's useless. Okay? So, probably you're either one of these traders, but definitely sa mga tinuturuan ko or sa mga nakakasubaybay sa YouTube channel ko, providing you quality content pagdating sa pagte-trade is dapat nandito kayo sa area to. So, the TFP water also prevents you from those fake outs, stop hunts, okay, or liquidity concept rules, kung ano man, using just this simple, basic daw na trading strategy. Okay? So, I hope this concept really improve your trading IQ or improve your decision making sa pag-trade. Okay? Use this, guys. Backtest itong strategy na to. Napaka-basic lang, but it is really a strong concept when it comes to decision making, understanding a lot of things. Okay? So, I hope, okay, naging fruitful na naman tong session natin. And thank you so much to all your support. And you really guys motivate me para magbigay ng quality content sa inyo guys. And thank you so much. I hope you guys continue to support me. Manood lang kayo lagi ng contents ko. Again, thank you to all my VP Champion students all over the globe. All of you guys, subscribers, followers, haters, everyone. So, thank you so much. And that will be it for today. And God bless. Bye-bye.
Alright guys, so I just want to inform and announce that our TFE VIP Champion Student private Discord community is already up. And yeah, here we have several channels wherein we share our technical trading ideas among each other. And of course, we also have our weekly trade ideas para sa ating mga weekly forecast para sa mga currency pairs and some announcement section. And of course, since tayo ay global. Of course, we have other students as well na galing sa mga ibang bansa overseas. So, we introduce ourselves and introduce kung saan tayo galing, sa bansa tayo ngayon, OFW man o hindi. But nevertheless, this is a healthy community para mag-share ng mga trading ideas para sa inyo guys. And hopefully, I will be putting up a server publicly para sa mga baguhan naman and those mga followers and subscribers natin. Alright? So, yeah, this is just a minor announcement and hopefully guys, you can join us and make this community grow lalo na sa ating mga estudyante nag-aaral. Alright guys, so mga baguhan pa lang. But nevertheless, everyone here wants to learn, wants to make profits from the market. But as much as possible, we're all equal in the eyes of the market. Alright guys, so that would be it. So yun lang and thank you very much. Alright, bye-bye.